At Nuqta e-Fikr Academy, we redefine learning with a commitment to excellence, innovation, and personalized attention. Join us to unlock your potential, master your subjects, and achieve your academic dreams. We offer expert-led lectures delivered by seasoned instructors with a comprehensive coverage of all subjects. Accelerate your preparation with our crash courses designed to complete your syllabus in just 40 days. Our testing systems include weekly tests, monthly exams, and competitive tests guaranteeing success. We provide guidance beyond books with career counseling and motivational sessions to boost confidence. Enjoy personalized support with small class sizes for one-on-one attention and customized solutions. Benefit from premium resources including high-quality notes, study materials, and a serene study environment. Why Nuqta e-Fikr Academy stands out. With elite faculty and proven results, we deliver affordable excellence. Our modern learning tools and flexible schedules help tailor your education to fit your routine. Let's connect. Phone 0361581053. Email nuqta@academymultan@gmail.com. Join the Nuqta e-Fikr family today and shape your academic journey together with us.